passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
While that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and not color correct, but put my first layer of foundation on. It is a little bit orange, so yeah. Oh man. My wax is next week, so my hair is like starting to grow back, so that's why I put the first layer of foundation on. I look so crazy.
Girls, they cover girls, we all go out, no boys allowed. 8 o'clock.
This much trouble with a wig in my entire lifetime of wearing wigs, even when I first started, or even when I made a wig that was too small. Like, wow. What? Raining super hard. Using the Revolution palette, and this is from Ulta, like caramel brown. Pop it in a crease. This palette is very pigmented, so yeah. Like a dark mauve color. Just go over that.
Give me that window pane, that summer heat. I know it's hot as hell, but I still want you up on me. And I know it's getting late, but the sun's still up and I clean my plate.
I'm gonna take the shimmer mauve color from here and put that on my lid. Gonna go back in with a warm brown color, that original transition shade. And for the transition shade, I'm going to go in with the same mauve that we first started with, mixed with the deep one, and just keep it on mostly on the outer corner, and then bring it in a little bit to blend it out. But again, focus mostly out here. I'm going to take the Fenty concealer in 330 and do a little bit of that. A little goes a long way. And then I'm going to take the Tarte, and this is the Tan Deep Honey. And I'm just going to do a few dots of those to kind of balance out the lightness that the Fenty will bring. So now I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna take the contour shade
shoes say hi to A. Take my hair, my money maker. Juicy, fruity, shake, shack. Yeah, you just left my shake, shack. I can't wait.
While everything is doing its thing, I'm gonna actually try out the Cynosure lashes because hopefully they treat me better than this wig did. Yeah, I can't really stand a big stiff band. That's like annoying. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Face in the shade Toffee, which is hitting tan really, really bad, but it's one of my faves. I think I'll put some more though. I'm trying to brush his hair out my face. Okay, trying to make sure I can see, honey. Taking my Fenty, what is this one? Hustler Baby, I believe. This one I always use. I never use, what is it, Mean Money? I never use that one. Tuscany, and then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Natural. So that's how that's gonna go.
Juicy, fruity, shake, shack. You just left my shake, shack. I can't wait to taste the sun. Watermelon, milkshake, cotton candy.
Which per usual is K by ColourPop. Pretty much all I'm doing for face. Alright, scarf wanna be tripping and just be stuck somewhere. The density is not so high on this unit either, but after all the trouble that it gave me, I do like it. It's really soft and silky. I honestly thought it was yucky straight out the package, but it's like silky straight. But again, the density is not so much. So yeah, stay tuned for the outfit, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to mention. I will leave all the links down below that you will need. If I have any coupon codes, I will leave that down below as well. Again, this was Cynosure Hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed my struggle with this wig. You did need to part it a little bit. I thought it was a little pre-plucked, but it's really thick at the hairline, even though the unit itself is not even that thick. Overall, I did enjoy this look. It came together at the end because y'all know in the beginning I was struggling, okay? I'm struggling to keep my eyes open right now, so if it's like Wendy Williams on y'all, it's just because these lashes are so heavy. And I have so many other hair reviews to do, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep these lashes on, honey. So again, this unit will be down below. I would recommend that you get a higher density, and I will leave the links down below for this. Trying to see if there's anything else I need to mention. I don't think there is. Let's just get right into the outfit.
But I still want you up on me, and I know it's getting late, but the sun's still up and I clean my my plate. I want them all that I'm wild, barefoot in the rain, and I'll smile. So watermelon, milkshake, cotton candy, summer rain. Watermelon, milkshake, cotton candy, summer rain. Oh, la 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 la, a bunch of la 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 la, la 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 la.